Hi, it's Mike for Custom Cruisers, part whatever of sticking this clutch thing back together. Okay, so basically we've got all our gearings ready. We've got let's have a look, what am I doing here? Right, so basically this chain is going to go that way round, and we need to put, this is the problem when you strip this shit down, you forget where it goes. Okay, so that's going to go on there, that's going to go there, this one's going to go on here. Okay, so we're going to lift this mother up, and it weighs a fucking ton without damaging anything, hopefully. So that's going to go there, that's going to go there, he says. Pull the clutch out, and that's going to feed tensioner onto the bolt. That's going to go there. That's now going to push on. Okay. That's going to go on there with the nut, obviously. Now you've got to check there's no shims, or there was shims behind here. Okay, so you've got to check. Put all the shims on. And try. Why it's such a pain in the ass to get on, but it is. Okay, that's going there. Spring pack's going to go on there. I wouldn't recommend actually doing up this thing until we've actually got these on. So this is your jack shaft. Obviously comes out into that. Now here's the nut. We're going to clean this off with obviously with brake cleaner. We'll get our Loctite. Oh. Okay, we're going to put the Loctite in here. Now, what we've got to remember is this is a left-hand thread, which means we're actually going to be undoing him to do him up, which is that way. Okay? Then basically we're going to just put this on loose. Now, yeah, it's locked on. Okay, this is correct, it should do. Right, what